Hey everybody, so I'm going to put three things on this video today. The first bit is the do-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo-dee-doo-doo guitar part from Walk on the Wild Side, which sounds like this. The second thing that I'm going to do is just a C chord, which is your new chord for the week, and our new strum, which is Ow, My Hands Are Hurting, or down, down, up, down, up. And then I'm going to do changing from G to E minor, using that strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, like that. So those are going to be the three things. We'll start from number one. Now there are basically three finger positions for this one, and you play a little pattern on what I'll call position 1. Then you play position 2 just once. Then you play position 3 with the little pattern again. Then you go back to position 2 and just play it once. Okay, so the positions are position 1, using your ring finger and your middle finger. You're going to be on the B string and the G string, and you're going to be in the 7th fret. So here's our ring finger, 7th fret on the B string. Here's our middle finger, 7th fret on the G string, and we're just playing those two strings. So we play our little pattern on there, which is do, dee do, dee do, do, do. So it'll sound like this. I'll do that again. Okay, moving from there, we go to position 2, which is just 1 fret back, like this. Then we put our index finger down on the 5th fret, then we lift our ring finger. So now our middle finger should be on the 6th fret on the G string, our index finger should be on the 5th fret on the B string, and we're only going to play that once. Okay, what happens next is we go back 2 frets, 1, 2, fingers in the same position. So now our middle finger is on the 4th fret on the G string, our index finger is on the 3rd fret on the B string, and we should still be just hitting those two strings together, and we'll be getting. Then what we do is move back to position 2, that's 6th fret G string, 5th fret B string, and we're just going to play it once. Now that completes the entire thing, and all you do is go around and around in a circle. So we're starting in position 1, and we play our pattern do, dee do, dee do, do, do. Then we go to position 2, play once. Position 3, do, dee do, dee do, do, do. And then back to position 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play this through 4 times. The first time I'm going to leave a big gap where I change, and each time I'm going to try and cut the gap down, and that's what you want to be doing too as you practice. Okay, so first time. So don't worry if it doesn't all come at once, just keep practicing at it, and what you're looking for is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the new chord that we learned this week was C. To play a C chord, we have our index finger on the 1st fret on the B string. We have our middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. We have our ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string. Now you can play all 6 strings for this chord. The top one's not illegal, but it sounds a little ugly. So you get your best results if you don't play the top string and you only play the bottom 5 strings. Sounds a little sweeter. Okay, we're going to practice this through a few times with our new strum, which is ow, my hands are hurting, or down, down, up, down. Okay, so I'm just going to go through that 8 times. You can just rewind the video, practice it as many times as you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Okay, so the other thing we're going to do is changing from G to E minor using the same strum. So we're going to go ow, my hands are hurting on the G, change to the E minor, ow, my hands are hurting, like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So same thing, I'm just going to go through that 8 times. If you want to practice it more often, you can just rewind the video and go through. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, happy strumming, and I'll see you all next week.